we are in Cyprus and we will be swapping this for this and this. So let's get ready. So we are going now off-road, so we'll see how it goes. It won't be as quick as the Gobi Desert, because those aren't Milky Ways. Those will be actually hard correction, I believe, but we'll see if that will be the case. So we are at our first viewpoint. There is a Coral Bay and Turtle Bay, and Blue Lagoon is somewhere on that side. Our first stop is actually at Lara Reservation, also called Turtle Bay. So we're gonna stop here for a swim. Our next swim will be in Blue Lagoon. Dust is just everywhere, so we're going for a swim. The water is very, very hot, I would say, in comparison to the Baltic Sea or the North Sea or any other place that I know, actually. He's still coming. This is actually a turtle nest, and the whole area is protected, so you cannot actually put any sunbeds. Rubbish has to be taken and all that stuff. But also the nation of the Cyprus is very keen on actually preserving those turtles, as this is the only place where the green turtle nests. Those are actually food of the little turtles that were heading to the sea. And off we go to the next spot.
Take a look around you, everything's brighter, can you see? And don't look down now, let's just be here, you and me. This wonderland, it belongs to us, you will see. I'm flying so high off the ground, I'm way up here, and I just can't come down, no, from here.
So we went to the viewpoint, and now after a few shots from the drone, we're going to Blue Lagoon basically. So stay with us for a bit more. start, and we are going back to the place that we started because it's gonna get dark soon. So off we go to the last bit. Kasia already angry at me, always.